I am Brianan Kentwell and I'm a rolling stock technician, grade 2. Here at TLS we split into 8 teams. My team, purple team, we're a little family. Like here we look after each other, we got each other's backs, always. Like I never thought in my life that my best friend at work would be a 55-year-old male, to be honest, but he is. And even though coming into a male-dominated industry, they've been so accepting, so loving. It's like I have like 8 dads. Even though every day we do maintenance, every day is new, and I'm always getting taught something different. Most of the guys here have been here 10 years. So these trains, they're honestly something to learn every single day. You have guys here from aircraft, electricians, fitters, you have car mechanics even, like just learning all those different things. They can bring a different outlook to the same problem. Safety is a responsibility for yourself, but also others. But I think being here especially in this shed at Downer, we have so many policies, procedures, so many different things like the star card. And honestly, if something's unsafe, you just have to speak to a manager or anything really. Like there's no other option but to be safe. It's built into the culture, the procedures, it's second nature. And multiple ways, how you pre-starts, and then we meet together as a team before we start a task. If I'm doing a task, it's constant communication. Hey, I need to do this, will that affect you? Above all, PPE, hard hat, shoes. And it's very, very important, especially in this day and age, to always check on your teammates, not only in regards to safety, but mental health. And then we have EAPs that we can refer to. And just being someone for them to talk to also, I feel like helps a lot. Like I said earlier, there's so much to learn on these trains. Like I've only been here 5 years, I did my apprenticeship here, and I still learn something new every single day. So come in with a mindset, open, be ready to learn something, and yeah, always be better in every aspect, not just at work, but mentally, physically,